Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be speaking to you today about the power of these amazing words. Let's start with I'm magnificent. It means being truly exceptional in every way. When we're magnificent, we inspire awe and admiration in those around us, and we're able to achieve great things. I'm matchless means being truly unique and without equal. When we're matchless, we stand out from the crowd and we are able to make a lasting impact on the world. I'm magnetic means having the charisma and presence that draws others towards us. When we're magnetic, we're able to connect with others on a deep level and create meaningful relationships. I'm manageable means having the ability to handle any situation with grace and ease. When we're manageable, we're able to navigate the ups and downs of life with confidence and resilience. I'm managerial means having the skills and expertise to lead and manage others effectively. When we're managerial, we're able to inspire and motivate our team to achieve great things. I'm masterful means having the level of skill and expertise that is truly exceptional. When we're masterful, we're able to achieve greatness in our personal and professional lives. I'm meaningful means having a purpose and significance in our lives. When we're meaningful, we're able to make a positive impact on the world and live a fulfilling life. I'm memorable means being unforgettable in the eyes of others. When we're memorable, we're able to create lasting impressions and make a positive impact on those around us. I'm mighty means having great strength and power. When we're mighty, we're able to overcome any obstacles and achieve greatness. I'm mindful means being present and aware in the moment. When we're mindful, we're able to appreciate the beauty of life, to live with greater peace and joy. I'm miraculous means having the power to achieve the impossible. When we're miraculous, we're able to accomplish things that others might think are impossible. I'm motivated means having a strong drive and determination to achieve our goals. When we're motivated, we're able to overcome any obstacles and to achieve greatness. I'm motivating means having the ability to inspire and motivate others. When we're motivating, we're able to bring out the best in those around us and to help them achieve their dreams. I'm major leads means being at the top of our games, of our personal and professional lives. When we're major leagues, we're able to achieve greatness and to make a positive impact on the world. I'm a masterpiece means being a work of art in our own right. When we're a masterpiece, we're able to live a life of beauty and meaning. I'm mind-blowing. It means having the ability to inspire awe and wonder in the world. When we're mind-blowing, we're able to create a sense of magic and wonder in the world around us. I'm maneuverable means having the ability to navigate any situation with skills and ease. When we're maneuverable, we're able to overcome any obstacles and to achieve our goals with confidence. So there you have it. These words are truly powerful and can help us all achieve greatness in our lives. As you go through your day activity, keep these words in mind and strive to embody them in everything that you do. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your minds to. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Leroy Glover, and I want to express my gratitude for visiting Useful Words. Always remember that you have the power within you to achieve your dreams and make a positive impact on the world. Thanks for watching.